Philippine Police fear more details of the alleged sexual abuse committed by arrested televangelist Apollo Quiboloy on underage members of his religious sect. Quiboloy's lawyers dismissed what they say are fabricated testimonies of the alleged victims. Raya Capulong reports.
Kaso po na ito ay medyo sensitibo po.
Horrible. This is how spokesperson Police Colonel Jean Fajardo of the Philippine National Police described the stories shared by the minor victims who were allegedly sexually abused by Kingdom of Jesus Christ Pastor Apollo Quiboloy. According to Fajardo, the victims recounted how they were repeatedly molested by the pastor who assured them that their virginity remains intact. The victims' testimonies also include Quiboloy's promise that they would go to heaven.
So, just can imagine a minor being sexually molested by an individual at sinasabi po nila na as early as 12 or 13 years old, they were allegedly sexually molested by Apollo Quiboloy. Well, ang isang sinasabi is Diyos ang kanilang pinagsisilbihan at kung ano man yung gagawin nila ay yun yung parang kanilang passes to heaven.
Fajardo also revealed that the victims and their families would be pursued by the so-called Angels of Death if they violated the group's code of secrecy. The PNP is trying to identify the supposed Angels of Death in Quiboloy's group.
Well, hindi natin alam kung ito bang Angels of Death ay literally mga sinasabing mga goons nila Quiboloy or just a figurative speech na sinasabi para takutin ang mga bata. So, kasama po yan sa ginagawa po nating investigation.
The PNP also investigate the parents of the victims who are allegedly members of KOJC and aware of the abuse being committed to their children. The PNP is calling on other victims of Quiboloy to come forward and report to the authorities, assuring them of government protection.
Lumalabas na alam di umano ng mga magulang dahil na parang they are being offered. Asahan niya, sir, na hindi tayo titigil hanggang makuha ng mga batang ito ang hustisyang para sa kanila.
But Quiboloy's camp brushes off the allegations.
Kung may mga bago, I'm sure planted yung lahat yun, kung ano yun, mga manufactured yan. But let them prove their case kasi the accused is presumed innocent. Allegation is not equivalent to guilt.
Meantime, the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology gave its assurance Quiboloy will not receive any special treatment in their facility.
Kung saan po nabigyan ng utos ng korte na dalhin ng isang nakakulong o kahit sino mang tao, wala po kaming magagawa kundi yun na po talaga ikulong siya doon at kung ano ang meron doon sa seldang yun o kulungang yun. Sa tinitiyak po namin sa part ng BJMP, walang VIP treatment at kahit sino man po yan ay pantay-pantay at initrato nating ordinaryong PDL.
The PNP confirmed that Quiboloy and the other co-accused will attend the face-to-face arraignment at the Regional Trial Court in Pasig City Friday morning. This is related to their case of qualified human trafficking, which has no